Whose ranch is this?
I don't know. Nobody's?
It's in a dumb spot.
Welcome back to Nobody's Ranch, guys. We're out here in the lovely Rock Falls, Wisconsin. Not far off from Eau Claire, as you can hear. They got King of the Hill out on the track already. And we're also going to go out on the track today and get Grandma's Caprice out there and hopefully run at 12s again. We'll see what happens with the humidity and stuff. Already feels like it's a little bit warmer than yesterday, so we'll see what happens. But we're going to have a good time nonetheless. You ready to go fast? I think so. It ought to be fun. So we made our first test hit, well, first time trial hit, and it wound up to be about the same as yesterday for our first one. We ran about a 13:057. Decent enough reaction time, but I don't know. We'll see. The day's kind of warming up a little bit, and I suspect we're going to be in that 13 range. We'll see if we crack into the 12s. First pass, already heard about. Second one, we red lit, but we went pretty quick. We ran at 1293, and I red lit not super hard. Pretty close to cutting a pretty good light, but we're going to go kind of a hot dialing. We're going to take it a little bit down. We'll go 1286 on our dialing. Hopefully we don't break out. We'll see. See what happens. Should be fun. We broke out. We went slow. It's okay though. Still had an awesome day of racing. Awesome entire weekend of racing, really. But yeah, I got a little warm, and we ran our slowest pass of the day. It was like a 13:13, 105. Reaction was okay. It was a 0.144 or something like that. But yeah, we had fun. We got a lot of good info on the car. It's fairly consistent. About maybe 2 temps off, depending upon temperature. But super happy with it. It's a good time racing.